There was a big court ruling today in federal court in Vermont, one that possibly impact climate change and the miles per gallon of the cars that we all drive. NBC News Chief Environmental Affairs Correspondent Ann Thompson is live tonight on the west side of Manhattan with more on this. Ann, good evening.
Good evening, Brian. Environmentalists are calling the ruling momentous. A federal judge in Vermont says that states can regulate greenhouse gas emissions from vehicles in order to reduce global warming. California passed such a law requiring automakers to reduce emissions 30% by the year 2016. Vermont, New York, and 9 other states followed suit, while the automakers sued, saying they couldn't possibly meet those standards, and furthermore, that the federal government was the only entity that could set such standards. Well, the judge didn't agree with any of the automakers' arguments, but it's going to be a while before you see more fuel-efficient vehicles on the road. Because before the state standards can be enacted, California must first get a waiver under the Clean Air Act from the Environmental Protection Agency. Today, in a statement, the EPA did not mention any waiver for California, saying instead it intends to propose federal regulations for those emissions by the end of the year. And the automakers are thinking of appealing the ruling. Brian?
And in the meantime, note the traffic jam of cars trying to get out of Manhattan home tonight.
Always.
Ann Thompson on the west side in Manhattan. Thanks.